with Raven.
Hi, this is Art with Raven. Today Pikachu is going to be teaching Pichu how to make slime. The ingredients you need a popsicle stick, a measuring spoon, glitter, shaving cream, activator, and glue. So for step 1, you're going to pour the whole entire bottle of 4-ounce glue. Pikachu! Pikachu! You don't have to put shaving cream in, but Pikachu wanted to. Put a teaspoon of activator. Let's get mixing. Pikachu! Sometimes you need to add more activator. You just gotta keep mixing, and if you wanna, you can use your hands. Just touch Pika. And keep mixing. Yeah. And keep mixing. Pika. If your slime gets really sticky, then add more activator. If it doesn't stick to your table, then it's done. Good job, you've made slime.